Dialysis machine, artificial kidney. Kidneys are essential organs for survival. There are several reasons for improper functioning of kidneys like infections, injuries, very high blood pressure, very high blood sugar, or restricted blood flow to the kidneys. It results in accumulation of poisonous waters in the body and ultimately leads to death. When both the kidneys are damaged, a dialysis machine is used to filter the blood of a person. This process is known as hemodialysis. Working of dialysis machine. The impure blood is taken out from the main artery and mixed it with an anticoagulant such as heparin. This blood is now pumped to the dialyzer. In dialyzer, blood moves through the tubes made of cellophane. These tubes are separated by dialyzing fluid. This membrane will filter the waste products from the blood and moves it to the dialyzer fluid through the diffusion process. Then, this filtered blood is pumped back to the body through the vein after adding anticoagulant. It takes approximately 3 to 6 hours to complete the dialyzing session. This process is used all over the world for treating thousands of uremic kidney failure patients. Kidney transplantation. Kidney transplantation is the best long-term solution for a kidney failure. For transplantation, the donor must be a close relative who can donate a functioning kidney. The immune system of the recipient usually tries to reject the transplanted kidney. To avoid this, the kidney has to be a good match to the recipient's body. The blood group of the donor should match the blood group of the recipient in order to have a successful transplantation. However, the success rate of such complicated techniques is increasing gradually due to the modern clinical procedures. Nowadays, a lot of kidney failure patients can be saved by organ donation. Organs are collected and then transplanted from brain-dead patients to the recipient's body. Kidney transplant procedure. The surgeon makes an incision in the lower portion of the abdomen on one side of the donor. Now, the renal veins are clamped to prevent the blood flow and the filter which is formed by the kidney. Then, the renal vein is cut. Now, the ureter is clamped to prevent the flow of the excretory products, that is, urine, and is cut. Then, the renal artery is clamped and cut and the healthy kidney is removed. This healthy kidney is placed in a cold storage. Transplantation of healthy kidney to the receiver. The failed kidneys are not removed unless they cause complications like pain, infections, kidney stones, or hypertension. They are left in place. An incision is made in the lower portion of the abdomen on one side. The new kidney is placed into the iliac fossa in the best possible position. The iliac vein is incisioned. The corner of the renal vein is connected to the iliac vein and sutured. Now, the iliac artery is incisioned. The corner of the renal artery is connected to the iliac artery and sutured. Finally, the ureter is sutured into the urinary bladder.